Welcome to this video. So in this video, I want to quickly show all the Web3 users and cryptocurrency users a way you can actually secure your Web3 wallet from being scammed or hacked. So, in the Web3 space, there's been a lot of hacks and scams that have been going on in the Web3 space. And this is due to most of the Web3 users don't actually protect their wallets that much. So there's a lot of novices and newbies in the crypto world. So I just want to show you guys how you can actually add a 2-layer of security to your wallet. This is actually going to make it difficult for hackers and scammers to actually steal your cryptos. So this method I want to show you now is actually called a two-factor authentication method. So we all know what two-factor authentication means. So it means you're going to be adding an extra layer of security to your wallet. So you're going to be linking your wallet to an authentication app or software. So it means whenever you're trying to make a transaction on your wallet, you need to authenticate the transaction. Like you need to get the code from your authentication software to actually complete the transaction. So there is a lot of authentication softwares and apps out there, but most of them don't actually cover for most of the Web3 wallets. So I want to actually introduce you guys to one of them that I actually use. And please, if this video, if you find it useful, please do not forget to like, share, and also subscribe to my channel for more useful videos like this. So with that said, let's dive into the video. So to actually do this stuff, it's best to actually do it from a Web3 wallet, like a Web3 browser. So you can actually use a Trust Wallet or a MetaMask or maybe OKX or any of the Web3 wallets that has a browser. So although you can actually do this from a Web2 browser like the Chrome and Firefox, but it's actually more advisable to do it from a Web3 browser. So like for this video, I'm actually using my Trust Wallet. So I'm going to be using the browser for this video now. That's what you need to do is when you open your Web3 browser and your wallet. So if you're using Trust Wallet, once you open your Trust Wallet, you go to Discover. That's where you can actually access the browser. So I'll click on Discover here to go to the browser tab, and then I'll go to altpro.co. So this altpro is one of the softwares on website that you can actually use to authenticate your Web3 wallet. So I'll be leaving the link to this website in the description of this video. I'll also be displaying it in the front of the screen for everybody to see. So it's actually altpro.co. So it's one of the best to actually use. It's easy to understand and it's just very straightforward. So once you authenticate your wallet on altpro.co, you're always going to be needing a code from Altpro whenever you're trying to make a transaction on your wallet. So if you want to send out any token from your wallet, Altpro is going to be sending you a code to your email that you're going to be linking to your wallet. So when Altpro sends you that email, you now use that email to authenticate the transaction before the transaction can be processed. So that way, it's actually going to add a second layer of security to your wallet. So it's going to be difficult for any hacker or scammer to actually get your wallet access and also get your email access and to be able to authenticate the transaction. So here is the altpro.com page. So once you come here, you just need to scroll down, just the way I've been doing for some time now. You see where this start authentication is. That if you're using a mobile. So you see the start authentication. That's where you're going to click. So you click on start authentication. So it's going to bring us to the authentication page. So here right now, the only thing we need to do is we need to provide our email. That's the email where we're going to be receiving authentications on. So this email should be your personal email, or maybe just your email that you have access to, that you would not easily lose. So that's the email you provide, and then the next thing you need to provide is just your 24 or 12 word seed phrase. So most of the Web3 wallets actually uses the 12 word seed phrase. So that's just the two things you need. So that said, I'll put in my email and start the authentication so you can see it. So my email is and then I'll put in my 12-word seed phrase. I've already copied this seed phrase on my clipboard, so I'm just going to paste it here. Please, I'm going to be blurring this part because I don't want anybody to be seeing my seed phrase. So I'll click on the seed phrase and I'll paste my seed phrase in. And when I'm done with that, I'll just come down here and I'll click on Authenticate Wallet. It's going to take some time to actually authenticate, but it doesn't take that much. So that is it, guys. We have actually authenticated this wallet now. So this means anytime I'm trying to make a transaction on this wallet I just authenticated now, Auth0 is going to be sending me an email with a code that I need to impute before I'll be able to send any token out of my wallet. So that way it's going to enhance security, help me enhance security. You can actually deactivate this anytime though, but it's actually one of the best ways to actually secure your wallet. So when anybody has maybe your wallet access or somebody, it's going to be difficult for them to still have your email access. So this way is one of the best way to actually secure your Web3 wallet and at least make it more secure than a regular wallet. So that is it for this video, guys. Please do not forget to like, share, and also subscribe to this channel for more useful videos like this.